Hi, we've been wanting to go fly. We want to go on travel adventures, rescue animals, and all that good stuff, but we have a little problem. Here's the plane, and you can see there's no propeller here. It's in the shop. It's been on the ground for almost 2 weeks now. I thought it'd be out in a week or so, but ran into a couple little minor issues. So once we get the propeller back, we'll get this thing going again. You can see the other part. We got these little rubber gloves here. There's another piece here that had a couple little cracks that has to be fixed. So we're working on that. And then as you take a look inside, I'll show you what's going on here. As soon as my wife Carol catches up to me with the camera, I'll open the door. You can see what's happening. And I had to take all the seats out. Had to take a lot of stuff apart. We had a couple little rivets that were loose on the outside. So this is a 1972 Cessna 182. This plane's almost 50 years old, and you know, you got to stay on top of the maintenance and stuff's going to happen. So I don't want to be doing this. I'd rather be doing this. But instead, here we are on the ground trying to take care of this stuff. So the good news is, since I haven't been able to post anything because the plane is down, we should get it back in the next week or so. And then we're going to get back up in the air. We're going to take Mango up with us. We're going to go on some more flying trips. We're going to see some cool stuff. And we're going to rescue a lot of animals. So that's the latest. Don't forget to subscribe to Flying Tales. We want to get people watching this stuff and spread the word to help animals. See you soon in the air.